Hello everyone, welcome to my channel on YouTube, the home of news and politics. On this channel, I bring you news every day on regular basis. If you are meeting my channel for the very first time, you are welcome to Lady J's Corner, the home of news and politics. Subscribe if you like what I do on this very platform. Turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I post a new video. And a very big thank you to my returning subscribers. My dear viewers, I have a video that I will be presenting for every one of us to watch today, and I myself will be watching in today's video. As you watch the video, remember to leave your comments. If you find the video interesting, like the video, share the video if possible. Let's watch the video. Thank you. Yes, my dear viewers, this is coming from Imo State again. Imo State all the time. This house that you are seeing is the house of the Attorney General of Imo State. The news that is reaching us is that his house was attacked last night, just last night, my dear viewers. This is the remains that you can see. I will leave the video for every one of us to watch now in a minute, but I was just asking myself, what is really happening? They keep burning houses, they keep killing people, but when you look at it, the houses that they are burning, the offices, police station and whatever that they are attacking, they are not attacking the poor. That means there is something really fishy that this our Nigeria or state government are doing that is not right in the sight of the people. That is why they are carrying out all this attack on them. Let me leave the video now for you to watch. I'll see you at the ending part of the video. Let's watch the video.
So we did live now for Eziogu for our Nnamdi for the house of the Eziogu for our Nnamdi, the house of Attorney General of Imo State. When he named na CSC Akolisa. So report will reach us yesterday and say they attacking house yesterday. And this now in place would be so. And this is one of the building where they for the compound.
The OB?
Yeah, now the OB for inside the Attorney General house. So
another thing to tell you. Jen is dead there. Jen is dead there.
So yeah, like the OB for where they for inside the Attorney General house, and yeah, now in kitchen. So yeah, now where the attack they happen. So this is now one of him building where they for the compound. Though the major building will be this, nothing happened to her.
No, stop saying that. They bought all from up to down.
The major building for yeah. So more follow one person will witness the thing. May you tell us what happened. So what happened? Good morning.
It happens that can one dot midnight. So come and attack me. I ran away. I jumped off from my suit. That's a story building. They are chasing me. I could not be able to know what to do. But eventually, they made up their mind. Because the owner of the house asked me that I should not challenge those more than 3 or 4.
So as you come back this morning now, can you tell us the level of damage will happen for you?
Through this camera now, level of damage. Is that building I'm to talk of, or free refrigerator, or the sheets, or whatever, even emergency fan, all the accessories of. There's no, okay, video this tramp-proof. They pour whatever there, and they put it fire. But God so far, I don't know whether it can be mechanized or whatever.
So this main building now waiting.
Let's go there and you witness. Follow here. Witness. everywhere till up to the end. And there, everywhere. Huh? Go.
So yeah, na the main house of the Attorney General, wey im name na CAC Akolisa. So the report will yeah.
This is suit. Good. Yeah, I mean.
So yeah, na the personal room of the Attorney General, and this na the level of damage wey happen for here. So we dey live now for the Attorney General house, wey im name na CAC Akolisa for Imo State. Here na im residential building for im village for IMO for Imo State. The last event wey we see the Attorney General, that yesterday event wey the governor attend yesterday for the police. The Attorney General dey follow the governor come that assignment yesterday, where the governor come bring new security units, where they say the name na Rapid Response Squad, where the governor launched yesterday. And the governor now don say the government now ready to partner with the security agency to ensure say they bring Imo State back to how it used to be. Because the governor be there worried, say the state now one of the peaceful states where they for Nigeria and the southeast. So we go see they bring on a more update as we still they expect a report from the Nigeria police, and we go see they expect report from the state government too. On a good afternoon.
All right, my dear viewers, welcome back. I hope every one of us watched the video. We saw the attack, the extent of damage that was done in that environment. I just wonder, how will he be able to rebuild this? I know some of you will be saying he has the money, they are stealing our money, they are using our money to do all sorts of things, so they have a lot and enough to rebuild this very place that you are seeing. But come to think of it, on a second thought, it is very, very sad. It is not nice at all, at all. It's not something that someone should experience. Thank you very much, everyone, for your time. Permit me to end the video at this very point. I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, bye-bye.